Hello traders. Today is the 3rd of December 2010, and happy weekend to you all. Right now, we are looking at this 2 hour chart of the USD yen, the crazy currency pair. Okay, right now, as I showed you before in my previous video, we know all right now the psychological level of the USD yen. Okay, if you are following us, if you are TSTW24 traders, if you are watching our video, you will know by now the psychological level of this USD yen. The level we are talking about is 8300. 8300. Like all the professional traders, they know those important level for the stock that they are trading, the currency that they are trading, the commodity they are trading. There are some key levels. If you want to adopt the mindset of the professional traders, you must also know those level by heart. So we know now for the USD yen is 8300. Okay, for the euro, the psychological level right now that we are paying attention to is the 13200. You see, so try to get into that habit to talk like professional traders in order to memorize those key levels. Okay, so even if you are not on desk, you have your BlackBerry or you have your iPhone with you, you can take some trading decision without even looking at the chart, because you know exactly what is happening exactly there. Okay, so if you are somewhere else today, you are not at desk today, and you notice that you check the USD yen, and you see that the USD yen is below this 8300, you say to yourself that's very bearish, because as soon as it crossed this 8300, that level is so psychological. You see, the price crossed below the 8300 and then came back to retest it. You see this candle here, they sold it down big time. They sold it straight away because it's a psychological level. They sold it down. The price tried to go back to the psychological level again. People were so desperate to sell, and they sold it again, and it went down. But looking at this, it's still bullish for the USD yen. But what you need to do, you need to be very, very careful, even though we are still bullish toward this USD yen. The reason why you need to pay attention is that when the Euro USD is going up, okay, the Dow Jones is going up. You have to understand the mechanic of the market. Okay, when the Euro USD is going up, the Dow Jones is going up. When the Dow Jones is going up, the traders are selling the USD yen. Okay, very important. You need to understand that. That's why this currency pair, I title it the crazy currency pair, because people are using the USD yen most of the time as a hedging tool. Okay, that's why a lot of trading forex is very, very difficult. That's why a lot of forex traders are losing money abundantly and consistently. Okay, it took me a bit of time to understand all this carefully, and as I show you today in my previous video that I titled market divergence, or did I call it market divergence? I call it there will be market indicator divergence. Okay, we noticed this morning that we should sell the Dow Jones index. Pay attention carefully and don't make that mistake ever. Okay, we see that we should sell the Dow Jones index this morning because we are expecting the Dow Jones index to give us a healthy pullback. So what we are trying to do is a bit risky though, because we are doing a contra trend. So by trying to sell the Dow Jones this morning, we were trying to do a contra trend. So a healthy pullback, we want to be part of it, sell it to a certain level, and then rebuy it again. Okay, it's a risky business. You can decide not to sell at all and wait for the pullback, and when the pullback is completed, you enter the uptrend. But we were quite confident. We know what we are doing. If you do not have that experience, do not try to do it. By the way, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell anything. It's primarily for the TSTW24 traders. Okay, so as you can see this morning, we noticed that we should sell the Dow Jones, but at the same time, as the euro is the Euro USD currency pair, is the market indicator we use. Okay, so we watch the Euro USD carefully. If you want to trade gold, if you want to trade crude oil, if you want to trade Dow Jones, if you want to trade the FTSE index, if you want to trade the DAX index, if you want to trade the ASX, okay, whichever index you want to trade, if you want to trade, we look at the Euro US. That's what we do all the time. So we noticed this morning clearly that the euro should go up first before we can sell it. So we were expecting the euro to go up to the region of 13275 before we can sell it down again before rebuying it. So when we were buying the first time, we knew that the movement should continue up to a certain level, and then we want to resell it down. Now, the tool that we are using, we didn't release that to the public so far. The tool that we are using to analyze the market like this is the TSTWSYS 008, not the 08, but the 008. That's the tool we are using to analyze the market that way. So we know what the market will do. We expect the euro to go up first and then to pull back again and then zoom big time as it did this morning. But as we notice that there is a conflict suddenly between the Dow Jones Index, okay, and the Euro USD. But because we know that the Euro USD is the indicator of the market, so we didn't sell the Dow Jones Index, even though we should sell it. And exactly as we didn't sell it, the Dow Jones turned around, okay, even though people should sell it, it turned around. I can see some traders still selling that time. It turned around and followed the euro, okay? It turned around and followed the euro before coming down like the euro. Very important because the euro USD is the market indicator. Very important. And the professionals are using it, the hedge fund managers are using it, the banks are using it as indicator. So as we notice, as you can see again today, as we knew that the euro should go up, now the euro is going up. What does it mean? It means that the Dow Jones Index will go up. The S&P 500 must go up, and also the Nasdaq must go up. So when the Dow Jones is going up, when the S&P 500 is going up, when the Nasdaq is going up, people are busy selling the USD yen because they are hedging. Okay, very important. They are selling the USD yen. This is what's happened today. So because of that, because the euro going up, Dow Jones going up, you must sell the USD yen. That's what's happened. So people were selling. But it was a very fantastic triple red signal today on the second time frame of the TSTW24. You can trade the TSTW24 on every time frame, but what myself I did and I give to all the TSTW24 traders, I revealed to them 3 time frame that I say to them, if you are day trading, use those 3 time frame, okay? So I'm not going to reveal that now in video. It will be unfair on those who have purchased the TSTW24. And on the second time frame, because when we have one lower time frame, one medium time frame, another time frame, and the middle time frame, it was a clear cut selling triple red, clear cut, no question about it. And during that time, the market displayed a fake double bottom pattern, and some people are seeing that they were buying, while the TSTW24 gave us a clear cut sell signal. I feel sorry for those people, and the market went down big time in this region here. I'll put the spotlight there for you so you can see clearly in this region. That's where the whole thing started. And there was this news also, and I never seen the TSTW24 give us a signal, a clear-cut signal, when there was a major news coming. I can't afford to miss that signal. It's so clear-cut. I can't. It's my tool. It's our tool. we can't disregard it. It's so clear-cut. We took it, even though there was a news and it went down big time. You see. And what has happened? We took our profit, we placed order here to come out exactly at the psychological level, which is 8300. Okay, but the market went down further. Okay, we didn't take part into this because we know what's happening. People are selling because the euro is going up. Okay, and the Dow Jones also is going up. So people are busy selling this. So you have to understand exactly what is happening with this crazy currency pair, as I like to call it, okay, because of the hedging activity in this currency pair. Why do we call it crazy currency pair? Is that because sometimes you will see opportunity to buy, but people will sell, okay, or you will see opportunity to sell and people will buy. Why? Because if the euro USD is going up and the Dow Jones is going up and the S&P 500 is going up, people will sell the USD yen. It doesn't matter whether there is a valid signal to buy or not. Okay, same thing. If the euro is going down, if the S&P 500 is going down, if the Nasdaq is going down, people will come and buy the USD yen. It doesn't matter. Even if you have on the USD yen a selling signal, people will come and buy. That's what's going on. They use it as a hedging tool, and the hedge fund managers, the bank, the institution, they use it. That's why I call it crazy currency pair. So if you do not know what is happening on this currency pair, you may lose a lot of money. because you don't know exactly what's going on. That's why a lot of forex traders are in trouble all the time, and they change a system after a system. They will use this system, I use this system, and try this and try this, and it's a desperate war. Okay, but the market have a language. The market have a function. Okay, you have to understand the code of the market. What is going on? Then you can participate in this prosperity activity in the market. Okay, so now what do I need to say to you now is that our psychological level is broken. You need to be aware of that. Okay, our psychological level is broken, which is the level of 18300 for the USD yen. We are now below it. Is not very bullish right now, so do not try to force the market. But one thing I want to show you before we go is that if you look carefully here, okay, pay attention. The volume is rising. You remember last Friday what I was telling you? Increase in volume, okay? Support level is broken like it did this morning. I'll draw it again. Yeah? This support level is broken. Increasing in volume, support level is broken. Increase in momentum, you must sell. Remember, a proper breakdown to the downside, a proper breakdown to the downside is this. Know this once and for all. It's a powerful. You must have the first condition, increase in volume. The first condition must be complete. Then you have it. Support level must be broken. Second criteria. Third, and very important, increase in bearish momentum. That's what's happening here. Increase in bearish momentum. Okay? And it was so fast. It will be difficult for you to participate in this unless you have the TSTW24, like he showed us today, triple red signal. Okay? So increase in volume, support level is broken, increase in bearish momentum, you must sell. Boom, down. Okay? So right now, if you pay attention, as I show you also for the Euro USD currency pair, as I show you on the Euro USD currency pair, I will show you quickly this. Pay attention carefully. Pay attention carefully. Okay. You watch this candle here that I'm trying to put the spotlight on. You see those candles here, all of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4 candle, like I show you on the Euro USD. If you look carefully on the volume indicator, the volume is going down. Okay, the volume is going down. Okay, this is what. Okay, this is what. Okay, people are not very enthusiastic to buy this crazy currency pair. Okay, but on the other hand, this psychological level is a very important level. But the reason why people were selling this crazy currency pair is because the Dow Jones index was going up. Okay, so if Sunday night, okay, very important, pay attention. If Sunday night the euro gap down, if the euro pull back Sunday night or Monday morning or whichever day it pull back, this crazy currency pair, the USD yen, will rise again and go above the psychological level. I will not sell the USD yen. I do not want to sell, even though I know the reason why people are selling. I will not sell the USD yen. I'll wait for the USD yen to come above the 8300 level and to give me a clear-cut signal to buy. But when do we need to buy it? We will buy the USD yen only when the euro is about to go down. That's what we'll do. When the market starts going down, we will look for opportunity to buy the USD yen. For now on, I will not buy the USD yen until I see a weakness in the Dow Jones or in the Euro USD, because we are now bullish towards the euro and we are buying the euro, and our ultimate target is quite very ambitious, 14,000 level. So for the time being, people will be busy selling the USD yen until the Dow Jones index start going down. I hope you enjoyed the video that you put into practice in order to cream this market consistently. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.